The CBI records statements of at least 4 more people today, including Sushant's flatmate and content manager Siddharth Pitani. He has reached CBI SIT's office, makeshift office there at DRDO House. In fact, the second round of questioning of Sushant's cook, Neeraj, is also currently underway. Other 2 persons who will be questioned are Deepesh Sawant, who was a housekeeper, and Keshav Bachna, who is the second cook who used to work for Sushant. The focus of the probe team is to map the events that took place on the 13th and 14th of June. Devesh joining us, as well as Munish Pandey joining us from Mumbai. Devesh, over to you first. The CBI now are summoning those who were present at Sushant Singh Rajput's house. 4 people to be interrogated today. In fact, Sushant's flatmate and content manager Siddharth Pitani, along with his cook Neeraj, will be summoned. Their statements will be recorded once again, and all of this is happening at the DRDO makeshift office where the CBI is using to question these people. Take us through the details.
Yes, Nabila, remember we pointed out earlier also on India Today that 4 people who were present inside the house on 14th of June. Those were Neeraj Singh, Keshav Bachna, Siddharth Pitani and Deepesh Sawant. These were the 4 people who found Sushant's dead body in his bedroom, and Neeraj was the last person whom Sushant had spoken to on the morning of 14th of June. And that is why their statements are very crucial in this case. There is going to be a recreation of crime scene by the forensic experts who come along with the CBI SIT team, and for that statements of these 4 people is mandatory to recreate the scene as per their statements. So they will be questioned in detail regarding each and everything on what happened on the evening of 13th of June, what happened morning of 14th of June, and after that when Sushant went inside his bedroom and then the lock was open, door lock was broken, and then when they entered and they found Sushant hanging from his ceiling fan. His body was brought down and kept on his bed till his sister arrived at the residence. And that is why these 4 witnesses are very crucial. Their statement is very crucial for recreation of the crime scene. Remember, CBI always takes over cases from other investigation agencies, maybe local police or any other agency that has been probing the case. Okay. And then it is transferred to CBI. And that is why for each and every crime, they have to recreate the crime scene. And for that, statements of the key witnesses who are present at the crime scene is mandatory. And that is why Neeraj Singh was questioned. He's being grilled again. Siddharth Pitani has arrived at the DRDO guest house, which is the makeshift office of the CBI SIT team in Mumbai, probing the Sushant Singh case. Other than that, Keshav Bachna has been called in. He will be questioned. And a team of CBI officials has also gone to the Cooper Hospital. It is the same hospital where autopsy on Sushant Singh's body was performed on 14th of June.
Let's quickly cut across. Devesh, do stay with us. Let's quickly also cut across to Munish. Munish also joining us from Sushant's house. Munish, we understand that the CBI officers will be at Sushant's house trying to recreate the entire crime scene. Also, no evidence has been found so far to prove that this could be foul play. There could be some, malpractice there as speculated. What more do we know about CBI team in Sushant's house trying to recreate the crime scene yet again?
Well, Nabila, what you pointed out is very crucial, and this is why the Central Bureau of Investigation is taking help of forensic experts. Now, as far as the crime scene is concerned, remember, it has been already tampered. It has been almost 2 months. The place where Sushant died, the flat where Sushant died, that place is tampered, and that is why the forensic analysis of the photographs of the crime scene is still going on. We have been given to understand by our sources in the Central Bureau of Investigation that by afternoon, they will come to know that how exactly crime scene can be created and whether it was a case of suicide or it was a case of murder. The other part is the autopsy report of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, we have been given to understand is that the team of Central Bureau of Investigation will be questioning the doctors who performed autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, why this is important? Because the report has already been submitted before a panel of doctors of AIIMS, which is headed by Dr. Sudhir Gupta, and primarily he has given his opinion that the time stamp of Sushant death is still missing on the post-mortem report. This is going to be very crucial. Also, what we have been given to understand by the forensic expert is that whenever a person commits suicide, his body responds in a certain way. His limbs, the vital organs, they respond in a certain way. But the post-mortem report doesn't mention anything about how his body reacted or the time. And this is why the Central Bureau of Investigation, with the help of doctors, will be grilling the doctors who performed the autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Right.
Also, they may question Mumbai police because whenever they were handed over the autopsy report, they never even thought about it, and they never took the second opinion of doctor about the time and how his body responded. So this is going to be very crucial, and we are expecting that by afternoon today the CBI team may come here and recreate the crime scene.
Right, Munish, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We have more information coming in now. CBI to examine the doctors, experts who conducted the autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput. One of the CBI team is at Cooper Hospital where Sushant's autopsy took place. CBI suspects that either autopsy was not conducted properly or report was not prepared properly. CBI has been informed by the experts that vital information like time of death has not been mentioned in the autopsy report. This is a crucial piece of information there. CBI to examine the doctors, experts who conducted autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput. One of the CBI team is at Cooper Hospital currently where Sushant's autopsy took place. The CBI there suspecting that either autopsy was not conducted right or the report was not prepared in an orderly manner. CBI has informed very clearly that vital information like time of death was not mentioned in the autopsy report. Now, more updates.